Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have an exponential equation with the numbers e and pi. Earlier I have solved e to the power x plus pi is equal to pi to the power x plus e. This is the minus version of this. We have e to the power of x minus pi is equal to pi to the power of x minus e. Let me just write this as e to the power of x divided by e to the power of pi, and the right hand side again pi to the power of x divided by pi to the power of e. Then let's write e to the power x divided by pi to the power x is equal to e to the power pi divided by pi to the power e. We have this x parts left hand side. We just interchange the positions of pi to the power of x and e to the power of pi. Let's continue here. We can write this as e divided by pi to the power of x. Since they have the common power, that is equal to e to the power of pi divided by pi to the power of e. Now we will ln both sides. Let's ln both sides. We will write ln e divided by pi to the power of x is equal to ln e to the power pi divided by pi to the power e. Now we'll have this x here, x times ln e divided by pi is equal to ln e to the pi divided by pi to the e. So we will have actually x is equal to ln e to the power of pi divided by pi to the power of e divided by ln e over pi. And this is also equal to x is equal to ln e to the pi minus ln pi to the e, and the denominator is equal to ln e minus ln pi. Again, simplifying, we can write pi times ln e minus e times ln pi, and here again we have ln e minus ln pi. So ln e is equal to 1. This becomes pi minus e times ln pi divided by 1 minus ln pi. And this is the final result for our exponential. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.